Daytona Truck Meet 2019 VIP 0213. How's it going today, guys? Trucks for Water here. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over the good, bad, and the ugly of Daytona Truck Meet 2019. As you all know from the vlogs, the Daytona vlogs, I was down in Daytona for Daytona Truck Meet 2019 this year with my girlfriend. We had an absolute ball, but I'm gonna be yesterday coming home, and today I've been reflecting on Daytona Truck Meet 2019 and my thoughts on it and the good, bad, and the ugly basically of Daytona Truck Meet 2019. So let's move into this truck because the wind is kind of kicking up sometimes, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, bear with me because I don't have my sunglasses on for this one, but right now I'm going to go over, like I said, beginning of the good, bad, and the ugly of Daytona Truck Meet 2019. We'll start out with the good. I want to thank you all again from the bottom of my heart how much your support means to me and my girlfriend. Down in Daytona, you all were like the best ever. There was times I could not get away from my truck. How many of y'all came up and said hi and started talking about the truck and me and her and the YouTube. We can't thank you all enough for that. And me and the whole Trucks and Water crew is internally grateful for that. So I want to start out with thank you so much for it. This Daytona was definitely one for the books. Daytona Truck Meet 2017, like I said before, is going to be the OG Daytona where me and Colin went down when this was a bone stock truck. Except for like a bull bar, LED lights, clear lenses, and a light bar, that's about it. So, that being in mind, 2019 exceeded my expectations. You know, I got the VIP pass, so I could park the truck up front and center so you all could find me and see the truck and whatnot. And your all support was unfreaking real. I can't thank you all enough for the support. It was just amazing how much you all supported us. The meet was awesome. I met some old friends, made some new ones, met some fans. You know, the whole meet was awesome. Like a mile worth of vendors at this thing. I think that's what they said. Over 13,000 people were at the event alone, and that is awesome. I think the truck total was about 6,000 or 7,000, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but you know, stuff like that. It is freaking awesome. Loved the event. Loved, you know, the beach when I met up with Longmire_LB7. Huge shout out to you, man. Congratulations on getting engaged to your you're now your fiance. I hope you all have a great you know, engagement period and a marriage and everything, man. Awesome to be a part of that. My little contribution to that. But anyways, I mean, the whole event was freaking awesome. I can't, just nothing but good memories pretty much from the event. So now we'll move on to the bad part of the event. The bad part about the event was probably the ticket count still. Yes, it was lower than last year's. By a lot, actually. I think it was like 1,800 citations, a lot less felony charges, a lot less misdemeanor charges. I mean, that's awesome, don't get me wrong. But some of the tickets I do not understand still. Like window tint, lifts, like lift, lighting, unless you have like a light bar shining. Basically, I guess they pulled people over that already did something and they're going to add on top of it all the other illegal stuff. Which in some states, some of the stuff is not illegal. You know, some states allow it where some states don't. And it shouldn't, unless you're a permanent living resident in that state, it should transfer between both. Now, that part I don't understand. Now, some of the tickets are probably, you know, for legit reasons, like rolling coal on top of people or in a crowd or whatever, or on the public street next to cars, burnouts, doing burnouts in the sand, doing drifts in the sand, you know, all that stuff that endangers the public. I can understand those tickets, don't get me wrong. Those are very valid in my opinion. Some of it, not so much, but that part, yeah. Other than that, though, that's the only bad part. Now I'm going to talk about the ugly part of Daytona. I'm not saying it was everybody, because the vast majority of people were awesome. some of you all that attend the event need to get like a coming to Jesus moment or like something. I understand you're in a crowd of people. I understand it's funny, it's cute, you think, you know, blah, 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 blah. But some of the signs you all made up that I saw on Instagram in public, some of you with loud horns that think you were cute, asking women to show certain things, not just the normal things that I'm kind of hinting at, some really weird things. And, you know, I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't understand it, honestly, but you also got to think, this is a family event. There's people that bring their kids here. You know, we are cultivating the future generation of truck people. It was like this stupid Instagram fight. I'm not going to name names, but like with some of the biggest truck Instagrammers around getting in a brawl outside of, I think it was a bar or nightclub in Daytona. I mean, I don't know what it's over. I really don't want to know what it's over. I mean, if someone hit someone's girlfriend or something, or, you know, there's actually a reason to fight, then I understand that. But if it's something petty and stupid, guys, kids that are 14, 15, even younger, growing up into this, look at us. Look at the community. Look at, you know, what kind of trucks are being built, and look at the people who drive them. We have got to start acting more responsible, in my opinion. I understand there's the time to be fun and time to let loose, but when you have people watching you and watching your actions, and your actions speak louder than words, whether you believe it or not, that was what makes a difference. I get it. We're in a cuss with the guys, you know, you're in a group of guys, you know, you're trying to be funny or whatever, and it's, you know, all that. I get that part. But some of it needs to stop. I don't want to see Daytona getting banned, which I don't think it will anyways, because of something stupid like that. You know, all in all, though, if I'm going to recap the whole event, I loved it. Those are just minute little things that I had about Daytona this year. But all in all, it was a fantastic event. You know, loved every second of it. My girlfriend loved every second of it. I know next year, we're hopefully going to bring down my truck, her truck, more too on that, 'cause I have maybe some little bit of secretive information about that. Hopefully Colin might be getting a truck. So he'll convoy down there, and of course Hunter will hopefully be coming down with his truck or trucks, depending on if he has the hoopty still or not. You know, it's going to be awesome next year. 2020 is going to be a freaking awesome Daytona. I can't wait for it. I'm so sad that this Daytona's already over, but I'm also looking forward to the future at the same time. The minute little problems that I had with Daytona this year, you know, they're minute. It's going to happen every year. I understand that. Hopefully it reaches out to at least one of you all, and one of you all makes a connection with it and understand where I'm coming from. But all in all, thank you all so much for a wonderful Daytona, guys. I can't thank you all enough. My girlfriend's grateful for it also. Thank you all for being so respectful to her and, like, treating her with utmost respect and kindness when you met with me to talk to me and talk to her. It was freaking awesome. She is so thankful for that. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.